we need to ask the user for their name and their last name. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do. First name is equal to input to ask for first name, and then enter first name. And then we create another variable called surname, and then we ask the question, enter surname. Now it says write the first name and last name on a separate line in a text file. So to do that, we first need to create a text file. So file is equal to open, and then we want to specify the file name. I'm just going to call it names.txt, and then we want to write to it. So comma write. Now we want to write the first name. So file.write, and then first name, and then plus. I want /n to go to a new line, and then plus surname. So this will write first name on one line, and then goes to the next line, and then it writes surname. Now I want to close the file.close. Okay, so if I just run my program for now, it's not completed yet. Let's say first name so far b so far. Now I'm going to my file, check names. It's got b so far on two separate lines. So my first part of the program is working. Next, I want to read from the text file and display first name and last name. So we want to file equals open. So we created the identifier, and then we want to read from names.txt. So that's our file name, and then we want to read. So R. So names is the file name. R stands for read. So we're reading from the file. Next, we want to read from file. So file.read. Let's store that in a variable. So let's say reading is equal to. So we're storing everything in the file in the variable called reading. Now I want to display it. So I'm just going to file.reading. So print reading. And then I want to also close the file. So open file, we read from it. And then we want to close it as well. So file.close. Okay, now I'll run my program. Let's try again. B so far, and then it displayed B so far in here. So read from the file, right from this file. Firstly, it added the names, so first name and surname onto separate lines, and then it read from it. So B so far. There we go.